Hey everyone, I'm Pam and I run Canva Creations with Pam on Facebook, and I have a membership called Canva Clubhouse. And one of the things that I do every month for my Clubhouse members is I go through a bunch of new release apps, okay? And then I pick a couple and I share with Canva Creations. And so today, what I'm doing is I'm going to share one app that I think will come into play for a lot of people. This is something that we used to have to, back in my day kind of thing. We used to have to figure out, what do you call it? Letter, you have to get a letter frame, and it just everything was weird, okay, and it just took a lot. So what app I'm going to show you today is called TypeCutOut, and where how I got to here is on the homepage of Canva, there is home, projects, templates, brand, and apps. So you would just click on the apps, okay? And then it even says up here, your apps. And so this is featured one. And then there's some trending, some new ones. And I showed this one, that video gradients. I've showed this one. I've showed this. I've showed pretty much all of these in my Clubhouse. Uh, didn't share this one, so that's the next one. Okay, so and there's all kinds of apps. You just have to go in and explore. So this one. This is called, so this is, you're going to be able to turn your text into a design. So let's go ahead. It has a lot of features, and I really love this app. Now, things that you can use for it, you can make posters, you can make cards, you can just create cool social media images. It's really cool. You can customize things. All right, so let's go ahead and hop on over. We're going to design. And so I just clicked on it. And then I'm going to go in. So either you have a choice of use an existing design or use in a new design. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and use in a new design. And I'm just going to pick Facebook landscape because you never know, I might post it on Facebook. All right. So move my little face over here. All right. So it's going to come up here in a second, Zoom and other things. Okay, so it's popping up right now. All right. It's loading the font. So this main question right here is main text. Main question. What I meant was, so this box is for your text. So let's go ahead and go fall vibes. Let's put that. Okay. Not not vibes. Vibes. All right. So we can either have it going like this, or we can have two lines, or yeah, so I'll show both, okay? And then font. You don't have to stick with this. You can even, I think you can do custom fonts, but really, I mean, you can, but really look at this. Look at how many fonts are in here. Like there's so many. You can search to see if yours is in here at all that you use for your brand, but I'm going to go find something really fun. Just looking. This is where I get stuck sometimes. Let's go fabulous party. All right. So then it gives it a check mark, but then you have to go back up here and click the arrow. Okay. So here it's showing us already because it has a image that it already starts with, but we're going to not have that image. Okay. So, but let's go back up here. You can do your alignment, and line height. And then now let's go ahead and choose a file. Okay. And since it's fall vibes, we should probably do some fall here. And hopefully I have some. I know I have to have some, right? I know I have Halloween. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here's some. What if that will work? Okay, it's working. Um, but I do think I need to edit a little bit. All right, so I'm going to start here to the edit mode. And I think I want to bring it down a bit more to fit in more of these colors. So I can do that. Let's go like that. I don't mind that at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and add to design. Okay, now this I'm going to show you because this it it shows, but some of it has the white. Okay, so to come across to fix this, you're going to go up to edit right here, right above it, and then it's going to have some things pop up. I wonder why it's on this side today. Huh. Okay, so we are going to go to shadows and we're going to go outline. So it outlines it for us. And you can also fix the size of that. So if you don't want, you can just have it like that. You can pick the color. I would, of course, pick, and then you can also pick the intensity. So, all right, let's go ahead and do that. And I think I'm okay with that one. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, I think I'm okay. I think I just messed that up a little bit. Wonder why it's cutting it off. But let's go ahead and try something else, okay? We're going to try a double right here. I'm going to pick a different font. Okay, and then this is where the line height would come into play. Okay, so there you go. Now I'm going to pick a different image just because it didn't, like there's too much white on that one. Okay, so I'm going to go and just pick I should have had some fall, but let's just go ahead and pick, let's go up a bit. I have some colorful ones up here. Oh, let's just do this one. All right. Okay, so that looks really good. I like how this goes. All right. So let's start the edit mode. I'll see if I want to. I do kind of like that teal. So let's see if we can bring in some of that teal. Okay, so love that. You could also do the outline as well. And that just makes it pop a little bit. Okay, I like that. So there you go. You can, play around. These, I feel like this would be really good to create t-shirt words with, or words for t-shirts. And because you can maneuver a lot of it. Like you can do the height, the font, and yeah, I like this. Okay, so in the comments, let me know what you feel like you could do with this. Okay. All right. And if you like more of these, because I do share this a lot, tips and tricks, join my membership, $15 a month. And I have a lot of stuff in there. And so, yeah, come on over. Would love to have you in the membership. Okay. Thank you. And if you're not in my Canva Creations for Pam Facebook group, join that. That's free. Come on over. All right. Thank you.